Well, it's raining, but we're gonna go for a short little ride anyway. It's not raining too bad, but the shed's doing well, no leaks or nothing. Hawk's nice and dry. Take the Phatmoto out. I do have mirrors coming for this, which on the left side it's gonna fit real easy. On the right side, it's not gonna be, I don't know if it's gonna be quite close enough to the actual handlebar, but I'm thinking about taking the kill switch here, just moving it over to the left a little bit, and then fitting the mirror right here. Because this kill switch isn't attached to anything, it's just the kill switch, so I could just be able to loosen this and move it over here just a little bit. Put the mirror here, and hopefully that gives me enough room. They're pretty decent mirrors. I mean, they're almost like motorcycle mirrors, but a little smaller. Like, they're not quite as sturdy, but for a bicycle they ought to be fine. But they have been delayed also. They was going to be here the 1st of May. Now they're not going to be here till the 1st of June. So I have a whole nother month before I even get mirrors for this one. Finally got the mirrors on the mountain bike. I do have jets coming for this. I've been getting comments. Almost every time I take this out, I get a comment telling me it's running rich. I know it's running rich. I've replaced the jet in there once. It was a 70. I put it down to 68. It didn't make much of a difference at all. I'm going to go as low. I'm going to try 64 because I got a whole set coming first off and see how it does with that. I might try changing the jets in the freaking cruiser over there too. That might be the whole problem with that thing. I've had problems with that for forever, but it's still got the stock jet in there. Give that a go, see how that goes. But anyway, let's go for a ride, guys. sure that door is locked, so this is gonna sit out here and get rained on. It probably wasn't a good idea. You guys probably can't see anything. I see all the raindrops all over the mirror already. Shaking in there. Wow, that's awful. That's a little loose. Can't feel my hands. Show you guys, you shouldn't do this because it's hard on the motor, but it will take off unassisted without me pedaling. It's a little bit hard on the motor though. she is. Ooh, I was gonna do a video on the Hawk today too and go down the power lines. I was just gonna do it in the rain because I thought it might be, you know, kind of fun in the mud, but it's getting a bit cold. So I'm gonna wimp out. Thanks for watching, everybody.